Hey, what's up? Missybeelondon here. I'm just showing you a preview of this style that I'm creating. Stick around. You'll see the tutorial of how I created it. And you can see now I have started off sectioning my hair into two sections. It's a slanted part at the front because I like to do my slanted parts because, yay, that is me. I have just taken out the first section and just going through it again with my Afro pick or my Afro comb or whatever you like to call it. But yeah, just combing through again, even though I've combed through it already. And now I will doing a flat plait. I will be doing a cornrow or a French braid or whatever you like to call this, because right now it's not coming to my head. And as you know, I need to know the names for certain styles, but I don't, because I just create them with my own idea in my head, but I don't know the correct name of how to call it. But I think it's a cane row, and so I'm doing a cane row on that bigger section of my hair, from the front of my head to the back of my head, which will be to my neck. Just doing this section. Yay. I don't know why I said yay, but yeah. A little bit tired right now, but I thought let me just get this get this voiceover out the way because tomorrow is a busy day again. So let me just do a little voiceover over this. And you can see me doing a French braid, cornrow, however you want to call it, because you can see it in my hair in that first section. All the way down to my neck, as you can see. And then I will be doing the same on the other side as well. I'm laughing because I do hear myself when I'm doing the voiceovers and it really does sound funny, but that is just how I talk doing voiceovers, because I find it funny doing voiceovers. But you know, it's something to laugh at as well. I don't know, it's good to do voiceover though, and I like videos that have voiceover because it makes the video more interesting. And I'm just securing the end of that cornrow with a hairband. Just using a mirror to see the other mirror, what's happening at the back of my head. And it looks okay as well. And it's very weird watching yourself back in a video sometimes. So yeah, just showing you the back of my head. And now I'll be starting on the other side. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but you know when you're looking close at the mirror and you can see your hair, little strands sticking out and all that stuff, and you just want to tuck it in. That's what I can see. It's not too clear on the camera, but the mirror is next to me, so I see everything. So I just combed out the other side with the Afro pick, and then I'll be doing the cornrow on this side as well. Okay, I call it a big cornrow or a big fat cornrow or just a cornrow. Yes, I'm doing that on this side now. Yes, a moment of silence here please, because I'm just thinking as well. I need to get into radio this year, you know, because I think I'll have fun on the radio, because doing voiceovers, like I said, is fun as well, even though I'm just rambling a lot. But I find it fun. Maybe it's the thing that because I'm not in front of a camera, I can just say whatever, ramble more, blah blah blah, and not worry about you can see me or not, because you can't see me, so it takes a little bit of pressure off it. So yeah, I'm just doing this cornrow from the front of my head to the back of my head again. Watch my skills. I don't do this style regular. Actually, I've not done this style for a long time, so me doing this on the camera, thank goodness it came out good, but it is hard, especially if you don't do this style regular. But yeah, it came out good anyway, thank goodness for that, because most time when I do film in front of the camera, it is like the first run of doing that style that I thought in my head to actually record it on the camera. So Thank goodness. It's all good. Yeah, plaiting it down to the end, and then I'm going to put a hairband. Ooh, pardon. I'm gonna put a hairband on it as well. Yeah, bop into the news that you can't hear because I took it out because YouTube is so funny nowadays. I had a video on my channel and it's like only now they're telling me, oh, copyright issues, they're taking it off my channel. So it's like, it's been on my channel for how long now? But hey, I can't, you know, plenty more things to be fussed about. So let me just continue with this video. Yeah, showing you the back. What's it look like? And the front side. Yeah, oh yeah, and this hair is definition braid. I use it in the other hairstyle as well. And you will see me attach it to the end of my hair and just plait it down. Pretty straightforward. You just attach it to your hair like you're plaiting your own hair. And it just stays on securely. As long as you do it securely, it should stay on securely. Yeah, I'm plaiting it down now. It's very long hair as well. And I like this hair. I wasn't sure about this hair before because I was so liked Marley hair. Because Marley hair has a more coarser texture and more natural hair looking, so to say. But this hair definition braid, it's a little bit more straighter, but it still can blend with my natural hair. So it's more expensive as well, which I still can't believe, but that's how it goes. That's just how it goes. What can I do? Until I experiment with other different hairs, then it will be this definition braid or Marley hair, which is more Afro texture. So yeah, so be it. And the price comparison for this hair in the bag, £7.99, £7.99, and for Marley hair in a bag it costs £3.99. So that is a price difference. But like I said, hey, that's just how it goes. The pricing's different depending on the quality of the hair and the type of the hair, yada yada yada. Even though they're both colleclon, because they're not real hair, as in real from somebody's head. It's, you know, manufactured hair, so to say. So I'm just plaiting this hair down to the end, and I will be securing the end with an elastic band, a black elastic band. Yeah, I'm just smirking there because I'm thinking, yes, this takes forever to plait from the top to the end. Or just because my technique is so slow, it takes forever. Am I down the end yet? Yes, I am down the end, showing the elastic bands. And I'm wrapping it around. Bopping my head to music that you can't hear. Oh well, that's just so be it. Blame YouTube. I'm just testing to see how far it wraps around the top of my head, and it kind of done its job, even though I wish I made the hair a bit longer. But hey, you see the creation or how I style it at the end anyway. So now I'm on to the other side. Same process again. You just plait the hair into your own hair, and it, yeah, like I said, as long as it's secure, it should be fine. So yeah, now we're plaiting this hair down to the end. You liking my earrings again? You know I like my big earrings. Rocking my Khalees Africa earrings. You can find her on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. There's another one, Etsy. I think it's Etsy. I can't remember that actually. But yeah, just search that name on the internet and you'll find all the social media. You'll find the website and everything as well. Oh, I'm really rocking to the music, innit? Shame I don't know what it is myself now because I can't remember. Oh well, what can you do, innit? Yeah, I'm plaiting this hair to the end now, bopping to music. It looks so funny because I had to speed up the video 2 times. because if I don't, the video would have been longer. And on this app here, you can't speed up the video for too much speed, so to say. On other apps, you know, there's somewhat different. I'm still editing videos on my phone because I still got laptop issues. So I can film on my camera and I just send the video and images to the phone via Wi-Fi, and I just use an editing thing on my phone to put it all together, like I said. So this is what I'm doing for now. I'm getting through it. I'm still pumping out the videos. So yeah, still plaiting this hair to the ends. I'm nearly there now. Nearly there. So close. So close. Thanks for those that have stuck around to the end as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new, I hope you can subscribe to see more hair videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. You know I'll always take my time to watch your videos as well. Thank you for everything. I'm at the end and I'm putting the elastic band at the end. There's going to be pictures of the hair at the end as well. And I'm going to end this. Wait, I thought it was about to finish, but I had to add on how I styled this hair. And you saw at the back I crisscrossed the hair, and now I'm wrapping it around my head, and I will be securing them with bobby pins, hairpins. I had to buy some more bobby pins because I thought I had a lot, but you know when you do certain hairstyles now you need a lot of bobby pins, and like I said, if you ain't got a lot you're in trouble. So I had to buy some more. So now I know I've got plenty hairpins for future hair videos. So now you see me tuck it in and securing it. This was just a style to get it off my, you know, to stop the plaits dangling. So I just thought, let me just put it up. This was another supposed to be a halo braid, but like I said, the hair, how I plaited it, it wasn't long enough to go properly across my head to be a halo braid. But hey, it still looks good to be a hairstyle, so I just left it like that, so to say. So I know next time when I'm plaiting the hair, make sure it's the longest as possible so it can wrap around my big head, because I'm guessing because I've got a big head as well, that's where it is. But yeah, I'm just securing the ends into my head just to keep it in, because yeah, at work, you know, you're in uniform and you don't want your hair to be dangling, so I thought let me just get it out of the way and just put it on my head, so to say. So yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, you can see the pins, but hey, I don't care. It secures the hair, that's what it's supposed to do anyway. So yeah, just making sure it's good, and I'm giving you a thumbs up. That means I'm happy with it. Giving you a 360, twisting around. And now what am I doing with this one? Oh, I'm just giving you another 360. Another short clip, 360. Yay, I'm buggling to some music. And now I just left them dangling, so to say, giving you a 360. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.